I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by warming the engine 5 to 10 minutes to make the fluid flow. Once done, secure the car with wheel chocks, jack it, and place it on stands, safety first. Remove any skid plate and locate the transmission pan and drain plug. This is where you will release old fluid. You need the drain pan positioned to catch the fluid and the 14 mm socket ready. Doing this ensures a clean, controlled drain and prevents spills that complicate the job. You loosen the drain plug and let the transmission fluid drain fully. This can take several minutes. Next, unbolt the pan evenly to avoid warping, catch remaining fluid and remove the filter. Inspect the filter and magnet for metal flakes. Small particles are normal, large fragments indicate internal wear. Clean the pan and mating surface thoroughly, replacing the gasket or applying the correct sealant per Nissan specs. Reinstall the new filter and torque pan bolts to the specified pattern to prevent. You refill the transmission to the manufacturer's specified amount, using the fill plug or dipstick tube and adding fluid slowly to avoid overfill. Once done, start the engine, shift through gears to circulate fluid, then bring the car to operating temperature and recheck the level. Transmission fluid expands when warm, so this step is crucial. If you notice slipping, unusual noises, or leaks, make sure the level is correct and bolts are torqued. If problems persist, stop driving and consult a mechanic to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.